Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm figuring more out about this program. If you didn't, this is part 4. And I went to and I had it remove the background. I wasn't even looking over here. And you could say remove background and pick that image. And then we'll do the same one. I'm not going to do the same process just to save you time, but it worked. And watch this, remove background. Pretty incredible. Now there's a little bit white on the tail, but I didn't even notice it when I brought it in. And look at that. Now, like I said, there's some, or maybe I didn't say it. There is some, in that right there is from the yellow box didn't get to that part when I filled that in with black. So that could be just filled in with black right there. The yellow box stopped it. Now, there are some little bitty bits of color. And let me set my nudge factor on, like, see how big this is. Wow, huge, 22 inches. And let's grab the black and move out of the way. So there is some other parts in here that you could go and fill in, but I'd be very happy with that. And see, if we put this back, there are some lines, but you could also do this. Let me put the black back, or the white background back on it, and let's grab the dog and let's take the lines and make them something other than a hairline, and they would engrave. And see, now a couple of them might need to be fixed, but you could also delete those lines and have that original picture. Well, there it is. So you could I normally lock my yellow box. So you could grab this item and take away the lineage, and you get just a clear, I mean, look at that. That's just incredible how fast that can do that. And it, like I said in the other videos, I've seen other AI programs that German Shepherd, but it's not going to bring in your dog. This is my dog. I mean, I would recognize him. I mean, look at the picture. His legs are in the exact same position. That's incredible. Anyway, there'll be more to come as soon as I learn some more, and thank you for watching.